Hi friends, so this is the lecture number 8, probability. These are the regular classes. So today we will solve one question and also we will solve, we will explain something. These are very important if you are preparing any competitive exam or preparing for any university exam. Okay. So in this question, he is asking A, B, C are three mutually exclusive and exhaustive events associated with a random experiment. Find probability of A given probability of B is equal to 3 upon 2 probability of A and probability of C is equal to 1 upon 2 probability of B. So the question is, what is mutually exclusive and exhaustive event? So the first one is mutually exclusive. So its meaning is, if you have a coin, okay, so you know that if you have a coin, then there are total number of two cases. Either head will come or tail will come. Both cannot come. Okay. So your mutually exclusive event, it is showing us that if one case will happen, then the second case it will be never happen. Okay, this is the definition. And second one is exhaustive event. What is the meaning of exhaustive event? Exhaustive event, it means that total number of outcomes, total possible outcomes. Okay, that is the exhaustive event. So your question, so there are total number of, if you have this question, so there are total number of only three cases: probability of B, probability of A and probability of C only. In this condition, we are thinking let probability of A is equal to X. We are thinking let, okay. So in this condition, it implies that probability of B is equal to 3 upon 2 X, okay, and probability of C is equal to 1 upon 2 probability of B. Probability of B is equal to 3 upon 2 X. So your answer is this is 3 upon 4 X. Okay. So this is the exhaustive event. In this condition, probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C is equal to 1. Why? Because exhaustive event meaning total cases. Okay, so there are only three cases in this condition. If we add all the cases, that will be 1. You have to remember every time. So your probability of A is equal to X plus probability of B is equal to 3 upon 2X and probability of C, that is 3 upon 4 X is equal to 1. Okay. Now you have to solve it. Its LCM is equal to 4. Okay. So there is nothing upon 1 in this condition. 4 1 is 4 and plus 2 2 is 4. 2 will multiply, 3 2 is 6 and there is nothing. 4 divided by 4, then you will get 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Then 3x is equal to 1. Now you have to add 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. 13x upon 4 is equal to 1. In this condition, your x is equal to 4 upon 13. Now you can find other cases. Okay. So you have got x is equal to 4 upon 13. Your probability of A is equal to 4 upon 13 and your probability of B is equal to 3 upon 2 into X. X is this, 2 2 is 4, okay, 2 2 is 4 and 3 2 is 6 upon 13, okay, and your probability of C is equal to 3 upon 4 into X. So if you multiply this one, then you will get 3 upon 13. That is your answer. So now in this lecture we will also explain something. You have to remember. No need to remember. I will give you one logic. Okay. Already you must go in the Venn diagram. We have uploaded the video. We have explained. Okay. What is the meaning of this? The first one we have written probability of A union B. Then after that we have written something. That is the complement. Means probability of A union B complement. Again I will explain you. This is the Venn diagram. Okay. In your Venn diagram, this is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. Okay. So this is, what is this? This is A intersection B. Okay. So now what about this one? This whole is A. Okay. But what about this one? This is only A. This is only A. This. Okay. This is only A. Only A means A intersection union A union that is B complement. B complement means you have A. Okay. We will explain by other example. A is equal to, let here X and Y. Okay. In this condition here X and Y. And B, in B there let P and Q. Here P and Q. There are two, this is the set and this is also set. There are total number of 2 elements and there are total number of 2 elements. But here is also one element, that is R. So R is also here, R is also here. In this condition you have to write R is here and R is also here. It means that your R is common for both A and B. Okay. So, okay. Now let here is also, this is a universal set A, B, R and there is one element, that is S. So in your universal set there are total number of X, Y, R, P, Q and S. There are total number of these elements. In this condition, what is this? A intersection B is equal to R. Okay. Now, what is A union B? A union B means this and this both. In this condition, your A union B is equal to, how many elements are here? X, Y, R. X, Y, R, P, Q. P and Q. So there are total number of 5 elements in A and B. Okay. Now we are asking that what is this? What is A complement? Now what is A complement? A complement means how many elements are present here. Okay, so you will select U minus A. From this set, if you will subtract this one, so the left element, the remaining element is equal to this. So if you will subtract this one, this from here, X, Y, R will cancel. The remaining element P, Q, S. P, Q, S, these are present in A complement. A complement means out of this you are looking P, Q, S. Out of this you are looking P, Q and S. Out of this. A complement means out of this. Okay. Then we have to find B complement. B complement means U minus B. Okay. So from U you have to subtract this one. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. You have to subtract this P, Q, R. Then remaining element X, Y, S. X, Y, S will be present in B complement. So out of B there are total number of X, Y and S. There are 3 elements. That is the meaning of complement of B. Okay. So this meaning only A. Okay, this meaning only A. So this meaning only A. So only A means you have to select the element, the element are present only in A, not in B. You can see that this part it is also for B, okay, and for A. That is the common part for A and B. So we have to left this part. So the remaining part that is representing only A. So there are only two elements X and Y. So how to solve it? You have to take A and B complement. B complement means this one. Out of this, that is B complement. Union A, that this. So that is the A union B dash. Its meaning, suppose there are total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total number of 6 players. Okay. These players are playing cricket match, and these players are playing hockey match. So how many people they are playing only hockey? Only hockey. So means there are only 2 people, X and Y. So means A playing A game, hockey game, but not playing the cricket match. Okay, this is not playing the cricket match. A union B dash. The meaning of this, only A. So only A means A union B dash. Only B. What is the meaning of only B? What is the meaning of only B? This portion. Okay. So there are only 2 people. They are playing cricket. Okay. These are playing. This is playing hockey, and these are playing cricket. So there are only 2 people. They are playing cricket. So in this condition, it will be A is not playing. Okay. Union B. This is the meaning of this. Okay. So we have explained this one. We have explained this one. We have explained this one. And this whole part, 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 this whole, that whole part is A union B. How many people they are playing either cricket match or hockey match? Okay, in this condition you have to select X, Y, R, P, Q. These students are playing, these players are playing cricket match or hockey match. Okay, so that is A union B. What about this outside? Outside means A union B. How many students they are not playing any game? There is only one person, that is S. He is not playing any game. He is not participating in any game, and the player name is the person name is S. Okay, so A union B, they are not playing any game. Its meaning not. You have to remember. Okay, so this is the meaning of this portion. This portion is A union B complement. So we have explained everything. So your first example is probability of A union B complement. A union B complement. A union B. A union B complement. So this he is asking. So out of 1, we are selecting here U. U means a total number of. But in probability, your total is 1. So you will, if you will subtract 1 minus probability of A union B, that is the A union B complement. Okay. So now you can solve also A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So you have opened it. Okay. No need to remember any formula. You have to create one logic. Okay. The second one is probability of A union B complement. A complement union B complement. De Morgan formula. By the help of De Morgan formula, probability of A complement union B complement is equal to probability of A intersection B complement. If you have this another formula, that is probability of opposite, probability of A intersection B complement, that is A complement union B complement. You have to remember, this is very important. So what is this? Already we have explained this. Okay. So now the third one is probability of those students are A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B means only B. only B. So in this condition we have subtracted from B, we have to subtract this one. From B we have to remove this part, this common part. Okay, from B we have to remove this part. Very simple. Now probability of A complement union B. This A complement union B, that is union. Okay, probability of A complement union B, same again. Okay, so we have done, we have used the previous formula. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A, probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So this is probability of A dash. Now this is probability of A dash plus probability of B minus probability of A dash intersection B. We have used the previous formula. Now probability of A dash intersection B dash. Dash means complement. Probability of A complement intersection B complement is equal to probability of A union B complement. That is the De Morgan formula. Already we have discussed here. Now probability of A intersection B complement, that is this. Okay, so its meaning, how many people they are playing cricket match but they are not playing hockey match. Okay, already we have explained. So from A, if you will remove this part, so you will get only A. Okay, that is the only A. Okay, so you have removed this from A, you have to remove this part, common part. That is the meaning of this. Okay, then this is Bayes theorem. You must go in the previous lecture. Bayes, okay, lecture number 5. We have explained probability of A upon B. That is the meaning of, if this case happen, then what will be the probability for if you are selecting A. This case already happened and you are finding the probability for this case. So it's is probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. This is, you have to remember. Okay, we have explained this in Bayes theorem. You must go there. Okay, then this is also same. Both formula are same. Okay, so this is same, probability of A intersection probability of B, probability of A dash intersection B and probability of A dash. Now the last one is probability of A dash A complement intersection A union B. Now you have to open it. Probability of A complement intersection A complement intersection A, then union, probability of A complement, and this is B. This will go inside. You have to use the mathematical concept here. Okay, so these are very important whenever they are asking such questions in your competitive exam or university exam. They will we have explained everything. I think that you understand. If you are not getting something, again pause the video, again repeat the video, and again if you are not getting, my request that please go in the previous lecture, discrete mathematics lecture number 1. In that lecture we have explained this very deep. Okay, you must go in this lecture. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you so much.